So, hi everyone, I am Sergey Mahilum and welcome to my presentation on modern fantasy. So, before we start, we will discuss what is modern fantasy. Modern fantasy is a genre of fiction that combines elements of the real world with fantastical elements, such as magic, mythical creatures, or other worldly settings. In this presentation, we are going to explore some of the different subgenres of modern fantasy, as well as some of the most popular modern fantasy books and movies. So let's start. One of the most popular fantasy is A Christmas Carol by Charles Dickens. It's a classic modern fantasy novella. It tells the story of Ebenezer Scrooge, a wealthy and miserly businessman who is visited by ghosts on Christmas Eve. Through these encounters, Scrooge learns the importance of kindness and generosity, ultimately transforming from a cold-hearted individual to a compassionate one. Charles Dickens, the author, is renowned for his realistic portrayals of social issues and his influential contributions to literature. The Secret World of Charles Carroll is a documentary that explores his life. The author of Alice in Wonderland is Lewis Carroll, whose real name was Charles Lutwidge Dodgson. He was just not a writer but also a mathematician, logician, and photographer. The film looks into Carroll's relationships with young girls like Alice Liddell, who inspired the character of Alice. Despite the controversies, Carroll's imaginative storytelling in Alice in Wonderland remains a popular, blending fantasy and logic in a captivating way. His work continues to enchant readers, making him a significant figure in children's literature. Bridge to Terabithia by Katherine Paterson is a heartwarming and story that follows the friendship between Jess Aarons and Leslie Burke. The two lonely children create an imaginary kingdom called Terabithia in the woods, where they reign as king and queen, as escaping the challenges of their everyday lives. However, tragedy strikes when Leslie dies while trying to reach the Terabithia during a storm, leaving Jess devastated and struggling to cope with the loss of his dear friend. Katherine Paterson, the author of Bridge of Terabithia, is a highly acclaimed and award-winning writer known for her powerful and emotionally resonant storytelling. Paterson draws an inspiration from her own experience and the people she has encountered throughout her life. She is a two-time Newbery Medal winner, receiving the prestigious award for Bridge to Terabithia in 1978. Also, Paterson's works often explore themes of friendship, loss, and the complexities of childhood, and making her a beloved and influential figure in the world of children's literature. The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe is the first book in the Chronicles of Narnia series by C.S. Lewis. It tells the story of four siblings, Peter, Susan, Edwin, and Lucy, who discover a magical world called Narnia through a wardrobe in a professor's house. In Narnia, they join forces with the lion Aslan to defeat the White Witch and bring peace to the land. The children learn valuable lessons about courage, loyalty, and sacrifice as they navigate the challenges of Narnia. The author, C.S. Lewis, was a famous British writer known for his imaginative stories that teach important lessons about bravery and friendship. Lewis' books, including the Chronicles of Narnia, continue to enchant readers around the world with their captivating adventures and timeless themes. Peter Pan by J.M. Barrie is a timeless tale about a boy who never grows up and his adventures in the magical world of Neverland. This story follows Peter Pan, a spirited and mischievous boy who can fly and leads a group of lost boys in Neverland. When he takes Wendy Darling and her brothers on a journey to his enchanting world, they encounter mermaids, fairies, and the villainous Captain Hook. Through their escapades, they learn about the power of imagination, friendship, and the joy of staying young at heart. J.M. Barrie, the author of Peter Pan, was a Scottish writer known for his whimsical and imaginative storytelling that captures the essence of childhood. Barry's enduring legacy lies in his ability to create a magical and unforgettable world in Peter Pan, a beloved classic that continues to inspire readers of all ages. J.K. Rowling is a famous British author who created the magical Harry Potter series. She got the idea for Harry Potter while on a train in 1990. Despite facing challenges, Rowling found a comfort in writing about Hogwarts. The first book, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, was published in 1997 and became a huge hit. Rowling went from a struggling single mom to a successful author, inspiring readers worldwide with her stories of friendship and bravery. Her work has touched many hearts, and she also helps children through her charity work. J.K. Rowling, the renowned author of the Harry Potter series, shares valuable writing skills that have contributed to her success as a writer. Rowling emphasizes the importance of perseverance and determination in the faces of rejection and challenges. She advises aspiring writers to create complex and relatable characters that resonate with the readers on an emotional level. Rowling also stressed the significance of meticulous planning and world building to create immersive and engaging narratives. Rowling's own journey from struggling writer to literary icon served as an inspiration for aspiring authors worldwide. Her storytelling, prose, and ability to capture the imagination of readers and have solidified her place as one of the most influential and beloved authors of our time. Through her writing skills and dedication to her craft, Rowling continues to inspire and empower writers to pursue their creative dreams with their passion and resilience.